How to remotely download Steam game. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remotely download Steam game on Steam app. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to remotely download Steam game, these are the methods you can follow up and do it. First thing is heading over to Steam app on your phone, and once you are there, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So from this interface in the bottom from the navigation bar, all you need to do is head over to this menu bar, open it up, tap on the three horizontal lines to open up the menu. Once you are here on this menu, go ahead and look at this option called Library. Tap on it to open it up, and when you head over here, so once you go ahead and tap on one of the game from the library, you'll be finding this interface. You need to go ahead and locate for this option called Remote Download. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will start downloading remotely. So that is it. That is how you remotely download Steam game. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.